A long ride, open roads and a solid machine underneath. Nothing beats that feeling. And today is the Hero Xtreme 125R taking me to the outskirts of Kathmandu Valley. A compact, nimble, but yet efficient bike. But is it enough for a ride like this?
And while he is taking the 125R, I'm on its bigger brother, the 160R 4V.
Only one way to find out. Kathmandu to Nuwakot, let's hit the road. Man, this bike feels just right for the city. यसमा भएको 125cc को air-cooled engine that produces 11.5 bhp and 10.5 Nm of torque. I mean, this sounds small on paper, तर यो काठमाडौँको ट्राफिकमा this bike is super nimble. Plus यसको क्लच पनि एकदमै लाइट छ and the gearing is very smooth.
Okay, I see you are enjoying the city life. But wait till you hit the open road. मेरो 160R ले 16.9 bhp and 14.6 Nm of torque produce गर्छ. On यसको acceleration, this bike is very quick. And also this is the fastest bike in the 160cc segment. And trust me, it shows when you twist the throttle.
Alright, balla highway ko bato chu yo. But I must say, this 125cc is holding up quite good. But let's be real, this bike is not made for the highways. You have to plan your moves. Tara, एउटा relaxed cruising को लागि, this thing is surprisingly very comfortable.
गाह्रो भइरहेको छ कि के हो ब्रोलाई? तर I think this 160R is made for these highways. Flick it, push it, and it goes 0 to 60 kmph in under 5 seconds. Also with यसमा भएको 37mm USD forks, this handles corners like a dream.
Yeah, I give it to you. You've got the power. तर mileage चाहिँ कहिले राम्रो पाइरहेको छ नि. This thing right here is giving me 56 kmpl. I mean, that is more than the company's claim. What about your 160?
I agree. Mileage को कुरामा I have to give it to the 125R. तर 43 kmpl को mileage on a 160cc bike that produces this level of power is something that I cannot complain about. I mean, with great power comes slightly a lower mileage.
Man, this ride is reminding me why I love motorcycling. No stress, just the road and the machine. What else can you ask for?
Agreed. So comfort wise 125R कस्तो लाग्यो त?
Well, comfort wise this bike is surprisingly very good. Riding position एकदम upright छ. अगाडिको telescopic front suspension पनि it's quite decent. पछाडिको rear suspension चाहिँ अलिकति stiff feel हुन्छ नराम्रो बाटोमा, but I can't complain.
तर 160R को मोटरसाइकलको कुरा गर्नुपर्दा चाहिँ I think it's very good. I can barely feel the bumps. And front मा KYB suspension on a 160cc segment of bike. What else can you ask for?
Alright, I think this is where the real test begins. You offer patches haruma, we'll know how rugged these bikes actually are.
मेरो 160R ले चाहिँ यो अफ-रोड एकदमै राम्ररी ह्यान्डल गरिरहेको छ. यसको KYB सस्पेन्सन सेटअपमा सिंगल च्यानल ABS ले गर्दा this is helping me keep the bike in control.
तर I must say यो 125 एकदमै लाइट भएर होला मलाई यसलाई अफ-रोडमा ह्यान्डल गर्न त्यति साह्रो गाह्रो चाहिँ भएको छैन अहिलेसम्म. तर कन्ट्रोलको लागि र सेफ्टीको लागि I would have loved a dual channel ABS on this one as well, but यतिको बजेटमा आउने बाइकमा I cannot ask for anything more. finally here. What a ride.
So let's wrap it up. Whom do you recommend these bikes?
For city riding, fuel efficiency and comfort, this 125R is a no-brainer. This bike is light, easy and perfect for everyday commuting.
Agreed. But if you want extra power, better suspension and take like ABS and LED headlights, go for 160R. अलिकति महँगो छ, but it's totally worth it. At the end of the day, bike भनेको त्यसको specs मात्र हैन. Whether the 125R होस् या 160R, the only thing that matters is the ride, the experience and the freedom that provides.
Well, on that note, let's call it a day. Like, share and comment. What's your pick? The 125R or the 160R 4B? Thank you for watching Gearshift Nepal. See you in the next one. Namaste. Taking me to the outskirts of Tarai. But is it enough for a ride like this? Tarai भन्दैछु भने मैले त. This is why I love motorcycling. Open road, आफ्नो machine र यो एउटा vibe. के भने त्यसपछि अगाडिको मोनोसक सस्पेन्सन पनि एकदमै सरी अगाडि त मोनोसकै हुन्न नि. सरी यार राइजिङले यसको कम्फर्ट चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो है. Well, on that note, let's call it a day. Like, share, comment.